This is what we have. 2002 Nissan Maxima 3.5 liter. Throwing misfire codes. Started with cylinder 6, then it went to a full random misfire. Replaced spark plugs, coils, crank sensor, camshaft sensor, and I'm not getting any spark on 2 and 6. I was getting spark on 4, but now I'm no longer getting spark, a reliable spark on 4. Any ideas, Internet?